Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the Set School Learning Management System. I am Ms. Razia, your mathematics teacher. Okay children, our today's topic is number in words. Okay? Okay children, before going to start our topic, I would like to share learning outcomes. Okay? By the end of the topic, student will be able to read and write numbers name till 120. We can also differentiate between numbers in figure and in words. Use the concept of counting different objects and write their numbers in words. Okay? Okay children, let's see the number in words from 1 till 10. Okay? Number 1, spelling O-N-E 1. Number 2, spelling T-W-O 2. 3, spelling T-H-R-E-E 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. 5, F-I-V-E 5. 6, S-I-X 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T 8. 9, N-I-N-E 9. 10, T-E-N 10. Okay children, you have learned the spelling of numbers from 1 till 10. Now you can easily write the numbers of anything in words as well. For example, 5 apples, F-I-V-E 5, A-P-P-L-E-S apples, 5 apples. Okay? Children, in this slide we are going to learn number in words from 11 till 20. Okay? Let's start. Number 11, E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 12, T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 13, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 14, F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 15, F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 16, S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 17, S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Here you observe that there are some number having same sound, so that's why they are called teen words, teen numbers. What are these numbers? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Very good. Okay children, you have learned number in words from 1 till 20. Okay? Now here you can see some numbers having same sounds. That's why they are called TY words. Okay? So these are the number you have to learn properly, so you can read or spell the numbers spelling easily. Okay. After 20 you can see here 30. What is the spelling of 30? T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. 40, F-O-R-T-Y 40. 50, F-I-F-T-Y 50. 60, S-I-X-T-Y 60. 70, S-E-V-E-N 7 T-Y 70. 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y 80. 90, NINETY, 90. Okay, so now you have to learn this spelling very properly. Okay children, now look at this number. Which number is this? This is 100. And you know the spelling of 1. So what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. Now you have to learn the spelling of 100. What is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D, hand, R-E-D, red, 100. Okay. What is the spelling of 100? Yes, come on. O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Okay. Okay children, now we have learned number in words from 1 till 20. We have learned the spelling of TY numbers. We have learned the spelling of 100. Okay. Now look at the numbers and tell me the spelling. Now you can tell me very easily. Let's recall the spelling of 1. What is the number of 1 spelling? Yes, O-N-E, 1. Okay. What is the spelling of 2? T-W-O, 2. What is the spelling of 3? T-H-R-E-E, 3. What is the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. 5, F-I-V-E, 5. 6, S-I-X, 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. 9, N-I-N-E, 9. 10, T-E-N, 10. Okay. Let's read the number and tell me the spelling. First read the number 101. So what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E, 1. Very good. 100. What is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100. Very good. 100 and. What is the spelling of and? A-N-D, and. And O-N-E, 1. 101. Very good. Now let's see the other number. What is the number? Yes, 102. So you know the spelling of 100. You know the spelling of and you know the spelling of 2. So what is the spelling of 102? Yes, O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D, R-E-D, 100, A-N-D, and T-W-O, 2, 102. What is the spelling of 103? Yes, 103, O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D, R-E-D, A-N-D, T-H-R-E-E, 3. Very good. What is the spelling of 104? Okay, let's try. Yes, 104. Okay, what is the spelling of 105? Come on. Yes, O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D, R-E-D, 100, A-N-D, and F-I-V-E, 5, 105. What is the spelling of 106? Yes, this is 106. Very good. And what is the spelling of 107? Yes. Good. O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, A-N-D, and S-E-V-E-N, 7, 107. And what is the spelling of 108? Okay, come on. Yes, 108. And what is the spelling of 109? Yes, this is a spelling of 109. Very good. And what is the spelling of 110? Very good. O-N-E, 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D, 100, A-N-D, and T-E-N, 10, 110. Very good, children. Children, it's practice time. You have learned the spelling from 1 till 20, and you have learned the spelling of TY words, and you have learned the spelling of 100. Okay, let's check the spelling. Okay, yes, Read the number 4. Very good. What is the spelling of 4? Come on. Yes, F-O-U-R 4. 11. What is the spelling of 11? Come on. Yes, E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Very good. And what is the number? 26. Very good. What is the spelling of 20? First tell me the spelling of 20, then 6. Okay, yes. T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. And 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X 6. 26. Okay, very good. And what is the spelling of 49? You know the spelling of 40? And you know the spelling of 9? Okay, come on. Yes, F-O-R-T-Y-N-I-N-E 9. 49. Yes, what is the spelling of 110? Come on. Yes, very good. O-N-E-1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D A-N-D and T-E-N 10. Very nice. And what is the spelling of 115? Yes, you know the spelling of 100. You know the spelling of 1. You know the spelling of and you know the spelling of 15. Okay, let's arrange this spelling and tell me what is the spelling of 115. Yes, O-N-E-1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D A-N-D and F-I-F-T-E-N 15. 115. Okay children, what is the spelling of 120? Yes, you know the spelling of 1, you know the spelling of 100, you know the spelling of and you know the spelling of 20. Come on, recall. Yes? Very good. O-N-E-1 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 A-N-D and T-W-E-N-T-Y. Very good children. Very nice. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.